What are the 5 most important points in an application process?
Okay, I think the first important thing is to make the contact, how you make the contact. If it's just by writing or just by approaching somebody on a congress, on a meeting, whatever, you can do that. If you don't have those opportunities, put it into writing. Some head of departments are still a little traditional. I like to have a real CV. Second thing is that you have to really keep into consideration that you're applying for an aesthetic surgery department. So the design is very important. It's a first impression. It's like dating somebody. The first impression that you get. The third thing is, yes, the style should be correct. It has to follow some rules, that's for sure. You have to put in your references in some recommendation letters that are very important because you usually read them. Number 5, maybe it's about the timing, and sometimes it's very helpful if you have contact to a staff member, or I think the most important thing, I forgot about that, is to make a hospitation day.
So you can get to know the applicant and the applicant can also get to know you, right?
Correct. That's how you did it.
Yeah, that's exactly how I did it.